Okay, so first thing is we're just going to finish this off. We are going to mirror um, the bulk of the wing root. So select the mirror plane, hit OK. We are then going to combine these, join, okay, and then we are going to shell this by 1 mil. Then what we're going to do is we're going to do the cuts and to create our two sets of bodies. So the first one we are going to do is we're going to cut the fuse. So split body, the body to split. Always select in the fuselage in this menu, because sometimes there's two sides to it depending if you've mirrored it. Okay, so the splitting tool is body 21. Okay. Okay, so again we're going to do another split now, except this time so the body to split. So those are the internals, so we can just remove these. And it'll probably get rid of everything else, will it? Okay, so let's just go through these one by one. Right, that's the cutting part. Okay, so we need to keep that one. We need to keep that one. So let's just, I think we can keep those three. Remove that middle part, we definitely don't need that. That's good. And the tail plane. Those ones can go as well. And now, if we select this one, this one, this one, this one, go to combine, go join, that should just make one body now, which would be our fuselage, and we'll do an inspect with section analysis on this plane, and then you can go in and actually see now, just like in the fuselage, we've got our perfectly cut out wing roots. There we go. So we've now got, oh yeah, we're not quite finished yet. And obviously, I'm not going to do it for every single part, but you can join all these together as I've done with the wing root. You can do this in the tail plane as well. I generally wait till a bit later to do it. I know I've done it here just to show you, but generally wait till later in case you've got anything that you want to change or update. because the more final you make things and combining them earlier on, it makes it more difficult to change them later. It doesn't make it impossible, but it does make it more difficult. So I am going to keep my, I think I'm going to keep that wing, and I'm going to get rid of this one, so I'm just going to remove that. And then I am going to mirror this one. Let's go to my menu. That's right, let's do that again. Mirror, select the plane. Okay, and now we've got an aeroplane. Okay, doesn't look that great, obviously, but the fundamentals are there. Okay, so that kind of concludes the wing part of the wing modeling section. The one thing I haven't done actually here is I haven't shelled these, so I'm just going to shell these now. Just give it a 1 mil inside shell. So now we can just do a quick section on here. So you can see that's hollow. Beautiful. Okay, so that concludes. Actually, those were hollow as well, weren't they? Just while we. Yes, they were, and so is the rudder or the vertical stabilizer. Okay, so next we're going to go into the next part will be the last part of the core surface modeling, which is the air intakes. And then once we've done the air intakes, I'll do a short video about what the kind of steps are next after we finish this. Because after we finish the core modeling, then we go into some other areas. But I'll talk about that in the next set of videos anyways. Okay, thanks for bearing with me. I hope everybody's staying safe. Thanks for watching. See ya.